Okay, so I more or less kind of got anxious before going live, and I almost got to the point where I was not gonna stream. Anyway, I'm here. I'm showing up. Hi guys. This is gonna be a short stream because I have to go somewhere in about 40 minutes. So we'll just keep it short. I won't do much talking, even though, trust me, I'm dying to. Going to begin with some coding. I have to get some stuff done. I have been procrastinating, and honestly, I think just going live kind of just I don't know, just creates this sort of mental pressure where I'm feeling like I am being watched, and I have to do whatever I said the stream will be about, and so although I did not specify what the stream will be about in the title, I've already told you what it's going to be about. So, I guess I won't be talking. Okay. Alright, so let's start. I have to go to my Visual Studio Code. Sorry, actually, I have to go to my GitHub. A bit nervous. Okay, slash. I'm gonna go to my own profile. Now, I'm a bit slow when it comes to typing because I'm actually much faster using a Spanish Latin American keyboard as opposed to an American one. Does not mean I cannot use an American one. It's just switching, from both keyboards to and fro. Yeah. Okay. So I need to download. Okay. Okay, I need to clone this repository locally. I don't have any important information that I ought to hide from you guys, so I'm not concerned with any of that. But anyway, let me just go to my phone and just make sure that the stream is going okay. Let's go to library. Let's go to my channel. Flowery Wisdom. Okay, so he's live. This guy is live. Alright. Okay, it looks pretty good, if you ask me. Okay, so. Okay, so this is where I'm going to clone this repository. It's SSH key. Okay, let me get my SSH key, which, by the way, I have on my phone. It's a very complicated one. Don't even remember it. So, SSH key. Okay. There it is. Okay, let's open this. Let's close that. Do I trust the authors? Yes. Okay. Okay, well, I'll just have the live chat option enabled just in case anybody drops by and says hi. Okay. So. Is enough bar. And this is the section that I was working on here. Uh, da, 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 da. Really? No. Chronicler, I better deinstall this. Okay. And I'm gonna go live. Why am I not going live here? Wow. Yeah, well, I am looking at the status bar, and I don't see anything here. Okay, well, let's see. Use your project folder to make the Go Live button appear. Launching a file directly sometimes leads to this button not showing. Yes, open project folder first. I do have the project folder opened, but let's start it all over again, as that's going to be some sort of issue. Visual Studio Code. Okay. Well, we're in the same place again. Of course, restored. Anyway, um, you've got to be kidding me, right? don't have the Go Live option, which, by the way, I do have on my Mac. So I think I have I'm going to commit these changes first of all. Okay, so let's go to git status. Git status. Your branch is updated with origin main. Like nothing to commit. Working tree clean. Okay. Git add. Git commit. This is right. Third commit. Done from Windows laptop. Okay, branch. Okay, well, let's close all of this again. And start a new Visual Studio Code session. Okay. God, it is not working. Okay, wow. Really? Really, really, really? Well, I did actually. I resetted my system about 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and yeah, I had to restart sort of anew. So most of the extensions I had, guess, must have not been reinstalled again, although I made sure I did. Okay. Let's go back to index HTML. We should be able to go live now, and I just want to view what I have so far. No, I am not aligned. Okay, anyway, so this is what I have. Now, there is some problem here. Okay. No, this is... Okay. Let me use Chrome, because it seems that the actual selected fonts I added are not supported by Edge. So, fuck. Let's launch this thing again. Copy paste to Chrome. Chrome. Oh, I see what it did. I don't have Chrome. Oh, right, exactly. Well, as I said, I resetted my system. Let's try Firefox. Okay, same fonts. I don't want to download Chrome. Ugh, I guess I have to. Fuck. I thought I had Chrome. Well, I don't. And I'm gonna need it. Fuck. Okay, I'll install Chrome. And go to Google. I don't like Bing. Okay, download Chrome. Alright, let's download this thing here. Chrome setup. Seems like I must have had it. Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm not gonna sign in yet. Alright, so yeah. Okay, I don't mind this font here. I do mind this font. It's just too skinny. um, so I have to fix that. Just I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I don't know, the characters, they seem kind of weird, so I'll have to change that. Okay. So there's a lot of catching up to do. And there's something weird here in my code. There we go, it's a bit more visible now. Let's change the opacity. Okay, I think that's a little better for me. Okay. Let me change something here. My seat. There you go. How do I look now? I look a lot better. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this opacity. there we go. Okay. Okay, so let's focus on responsiveness on mobile first design. So goes the the methodology on creating or deploying successful software. So, or the business practice. Anyway, so okay, it's not bad. And I just have to put my limit. The limit would be maybe 350. That's the limit. Still works fine. Can still select these options here. This here, however, ooh, that's strange that would happen. Okay. So if none of these options are selected, this thing, okay, I see. Apparently what happens is that, so right now, the width, of my UI here is 350 pixels. And as you can see, all of these 4 hashtags align correctly on the same line. Whereas if I select or say hover on any of these options here, it just brings one of those hashtags down. We don't want that. That may have to do with the fact that I must have added extra dimensions to the actual hover, the button hovering element. So what I have to do is take a look at those values and see what I can remove so that the design is still respected the way it is, but without causing this thing. I mean, who's using, well, first of all, secondly, you gotta ask yourself, who has a phone with a width of 350 pixels? Yeah, not many people. So, regardless, I think I should still kind of. Or what do you think? Anyway, so if we keep moving up, then we have this problem here at 356. Let me not select anything. I still have this problem here. You see that? That is a problem. Although here, everything is just goes back to normal. This is perfect. Perfect. This has to be fixed, though. That has to be fixed. And then this is for, like, tablets. Tablets. This is, like, for desktop. Sorry. Yeah. So I have to fix that because the reading duration of a post, which is stated here, as you can see, this appears depending on the actual display that you're viewing the content from. So, say maybe you're viewing it from an iPhone SE. There you go. Not bad, is it? It's pretty good. I'm still getting the minimum amount of minutes, and also maybe we could just actually make 375 pixels the lowest width instead of 350, so that problem doesn't arise. We'll look into that in a second. iPhone XR, perfect. iPhone 12 Pro, perfect. Pixel 5, perfect. Samsung Galaxy S8, 300. Oh, you see? So this is what I mean. Shit. Okay, so we need to fix that. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, that's fine. iPad Air, that's fine. We're gonna have to add another sidebar here. And let's see, iPad Mini, that's fine. Surface Pro 7, that's fine. Let's go to Surface Duo, that's fine. Galaxy Fold, wow, that's really crappy. And also this, look, 280. Okay, that is if they were to view the UI through the tiniest screen available on a Galaxy Fold. Samsung Galaxy 51/71, that one's fine. Nest Hub, I don't know what a Nest Hub is, but this is fine. There is one thing that I may kind of fix, and that is the space between the sidebar and the main content area here in the center. Let's go to Nest Hub Max. This is fine. So those are the changes that I have to be working on. I think, and anyway, so for example, let's see, what can we start with? Well, if we want to fix those problems, I mean, first of all, there's one thing we need to change here. So for responsive, we've got to put a limit. We've already realized that the smallest limit is 280 because of the Galaxy Fold. So let's make sure that we put a limit on the width of this responsive feature so that we don't go past or lower than 280 pixels rather. I mean, who the hell is going to be viewing this website with this amount of width? I don't think anyone. So 280 is the limit. So where do we apply that rule? That will be in CSS, and it's for the home section, and it is the main section, and it should be in our it should be at the bottom. Okay, so our media queries, this is where we have them. And our media queries, okay, so that information is on our media queries. We've found it here. And now we have to, let's see, max width. Okay, these are for my asides. Dot post actions, margin left. Okay. So this is for like max width 355, and that still works here. That's for mobile. Although, seems our max width has to be 280. And then going past 355, 356. Okay, well, God, this is not gonna be easy at all. I have to rewatch some classes. Anyway, we're gonna do it. Doesn't matter. Gotta refresh. Okay, let me go to activate my two displays. We're gonna extend them. Keep changes. I think I'll keep like the most sensitive information on the other screen as opposed to the one you're currently viewing. Okay. So, okay, all we have to worry about now. Okay, this is fine. We also added. Fuck, it's not working. Hold on. We also added a hover option there. But, hold on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so I added this hover option. The design is fine. It's also here, obviously. Nope, it was not added there. So anyway, I can get rid of these things, all these other things, and then just use this card as the final card design. Don't worry about that. We still need to create another sidebar. Would be easier to start from the beginning, but let's see if we can like just do it from Hurry Patrick. Hello, Hurry. Hi. Okay, let's go to hello. I'm just here trying to catch up with some coding projects, and this is a very short stream, so I may actually I do apologize because I have to leave within like 3 minutes. I have to go to a physiotherapy appointment, although I'll be back to continue doing my project, and of course I'll live stream it, because if not, I'll have a much harder time just kind of focusing. I'll get distracted, and so thanks for stopping by and just saying hi. It means a lot. Anyway, so yeah, I have to leave soon. I'll be back within like an hour and a half, and I'll start streaming again. I have to finish this project. And there's a lot of things that I have to catch up with, and as well as identifying what elements are affected by this media query. Also, I have to go through a process of elimination. I gotta get rid of these postcards. I may just hide these. I may just comment on this card and just remove it so it doesn't distract me. Although, hold on. Def2. So I have to replicate this sidebar as well. I have to create this little card. This thing here. Search bar. Yeah, so I have to create a search bar. And so yeah, pretty much I have to do all of this. And I have to be able to view the post as well as load all of the information within a post, and also add hyperlinks to, for example, the hashtags and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a big, somewhat of a big project. I could have had a team, but I chose to do it alone. Should you sub, Hurry Patrick? Yeah, go ahead. You're very welcome to sub. I highly encourage you to, because I'm trying to grow this channel. I still don't know what this channel is going to be about. It's just going to be mostly about me trying to achieve my goals and sharing them with the YouTube community. So Patrick, if you want to sub, that'd be awesome. Okay, anyway, Patrick, I've got to go. I'll be back later. So, anyway, thanks for stopping by, and if you sub, that's awesome. Okay, I have to go.